Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. English teacher perception, the word curriculum, implementation in different level education. Independent learning in the curriculum Merdeka. 1. The independent learning curriculum is a curriculum launched by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology. The Merdeka curriculum no longer emphasizes uniformity and standardization, but instead foster innovation, creativity, and personalization in the learning process. Freedom for students to learn according to their interest, talent, and potential. The function of the Merdeka curriculum is to support more varied learning where their students are required to be more creative, so that students also have great opportunity according to their talent and basic regulation. Number 5. This regulation is to regulate the standard of competency for graduates of early childhood, basic, and secondary education, useful as a reference for educational implementary in early childhood education, basic education, and secondary education, improving the quality of early childhood, primary, and secondary education. Number 7. Standard for content in early childhood education, basic education state, and secondary education state are the is, I, M to acquire core and fundamental competency such as knowledge, skill, mental and social attitude, and the ability to think creatively, and innovatively. The Merdeka curriculum teachers are required to teach creatively, and so that students also have greater opportunity to learn according to their talent and interest. Teachers implement the independent curriculum in accordance with the guidelines for implementing the independent curriculum by using learning methods or media that are appropriate to the topic. The weakness in the Merdeka curriculum is that teachers have to make many things useful, including teaching media, videos, image, and so on. Meanwhile, the weakness for students is that students at large already have technology such as cell phone, and the advantage of teachers in the independent learning curriculum is that teachers have less work to do. Meanwhile, for students are able to develop their thinking and knowledge well. Students also have greater opportunity to learn according to their talent and interest. Students enthusiastic about following it because it can be seen for how they respond to learning. Students are more benefit the teach. Independent curriculum that teacher perceive include teacher can be more creative and develop their abilities. Learning become more fun and meaningful. Learning is based on student need. Independent curriculum learning focuses on a student-centered learning model. Barrier the implement curriculum. Barrier faced by teacher when implementing an independent curriculum include internet access is limited, especially for teachers in remote locations. Teachers are unable to use information and communication technology or ICT. Solution the barrier the teacher. Government should provide further support to teachers in implementing the independent curriculum, special with regard to internet access and improving their ICT skill. Solution and training on the independent curriculum must be more intensive and comprehensive so that all teachers understand and implement this curriculum well. The implement of the independent curriculum should be regularly evaluated to identify and overcome the abstent list and counter it. Conclusion: the independent study curriculum or curriculum Merdeka represent a major shift in Indonesia education, moving from a rigid and standardized system to one that emphasizes flexibility, student empowerment, and skill development. From the 21st century, it is said that Indonesia independent curriculum still in its infancy, with hope for increased student. Thank you very much. See you. Assalamualaikum.